Hey class. So today we already went over why the PSAT 10 matters in class. You know that you're supposed to be at school, whether you're remote or in person. You have to be physically present at school on Thursday the 15th. Please get there by like 7:10-ish. Try to get there around 7 so that you can be in the right room. Your test starts on time. That way you can leave on time. I want to basically go over the structure of the test plus the part of the English section that most people are confused about, if they're confused. So this is the structure of the test here. This will tell you how much time is allotted in minutes, number of questions. You'll notice this reading part, you've done this a ton of times before. This is very similar to the map test that you guys take. It asks you like, what does this word mean in context? It'll ask you what's the main idea. It'll ask you to talk about like the organization structure does this. So if you're scoring really well on the math test for uh, the English one, you're doing all right. Regardless, it's going to look similar. This test or this section, the writing and language, people get scared. Just stop, take a deep breath. It's 35 minutes for 44 questions, right? It seems really short, and I'll show you why in a second. It's not crazy when you go over it. The math test is actually split into two different sections. One, you get to use a calculator. The other, you do not get to use a calculator. Make sure you bring a calculator. Theoretically, you could do it all without one, but it's not fun. Um, so yeah, let's get into like what some of these. There we go, what some of these questions look like. So this is the writing and language one. People kind of struggle with the most, right? Because you haven't taken a lot of tests that ask you to do this. So as you're reading, it'll give you passages that look like a reading test, but the question refers to this box. So see how this question one, so you see the box with a one, it's asking you a question about this. Which choice best maintains the sentence pattern? And you have to guess, or not guess, excuse me. You have to read the stuff before that to say like, how does it, all right, so which best maintains the sentence pattern? This sentence, a subway system is, a bike sharing program is, to alleviate rush hour traffic jams in a congested downtown. Oh, that sounds like word vomit. Something is, that keeps it going. So that's the correct answer. Here's another one. This is a little, this one, there is no question, okay? And these are most of the questions here, right? You see two, when any one of these changes occur, it is likely the result of careful analysis conducted by transportation planners. When any of these changes occurs, right? See how the subject and verb have to agree? It's talking about multiple changes too. So they are. All right. So when any of these changes occurs, they are. Oh, wait, no. Sorry, occurs, it is. My bad. Now it's talking about a singular change being the result of careful analysis. Brain fart. Oh well. No change, by the way, is an option for these questions. It's never not going to be this. There you go. Let's go to this next one. This also doesn't ask you for a question. It just assumes you know the answer. Pick the one that sounds right. However, if you look, they design new ones. You can't get this without reading the whole sentence before it. Okay? I need you to know that. The key thing is to read the sentence before and maybe the sentence after, if necessary. The work of transportation planners generally includes evaluating current transportation needs, assessing the effectiveness of existing facilities, and improving these facilities, or they design new ones. Wait, this is a thing I didn't do a great job of teaching you. It is called, I can't write this with a pen quickly. It is called parallelism, or a parallel structure in a paragraph. Basically, you see how this has assessing, that's what they do, improving these facilities, or designing new ones. And that's what the answer actually is. It's designing. Whoops, come on. There we go. So those are how a lot of the questions look. There is no question. They want you to rewrite the underlined section correctly by choosing the choice. All right, so that's basically it. Now I want you to go finish or complete the GIM kit that's posted as an assignment for today. All right, that it's a quick practice. I cut it in half. You should only have to earn $50,000. And remember, get the score multipliers and get a streak going. Okay, if you don't do that, this is going to get real difficult, real slow, actually. Good luck, guys. We'll be back tomorrow with another thing we're doing.